Hello, and thanks for joining us here at Learn Informatics. Learn Informatics is a modular course, and the intention is that we try to cover as much of the national curriculum of computing as possible within our core modules. At City London School and at St Albans High School for Girls and Dulwich College, we have been focusing on our core modules. These can be delivered to our students in a variety of ways, and the free resources which come with the course allow schools to insert them into their teaching programmes as they see fit. If we log in to the website using our email address and a password, then we can see some announcements, and because I've logged in as a teacher, I can look at class progress and also some of the resources. However, it's probably best to look at this course from the pupil perspective. So I click on Pupil View, and then you can see that immediately we move to the core module page, where we can see there are modules in device management, software fundamentals, cybersecurity and e-safety, and coding and computational thinking. Each module comes with its own resources, in other words, file downloads, booklets, and a video channel. We can also see the progress that pupils have made in each of the modules. Let's look at one of the booklets. Here's a booklet connected with device management. As you can see, there are a number of exercises. This first one here looks at logging onto a system and how to change your password. Further on in the booklet, there are exercises on printers, Windows menus, and some very basic but quite essential skills for using a computer. Further into this course, there are tasks for setting up a new device, always very useful if you've got to bring your own device, policy at school, and exercises for restore points, backing up your system, setting up the devices, signing in options, and so forth. All very useful skills. The pupils, for some of the exercises, are required to download files. So if they click on File Downloads, then they can head into a folder, which is an informatics folder, and put these exercise files inside their informatics folder. So if we look at some of the exercises, we can see we've got software here, some presentation exercises, some spreadsheet exercises here, and these are files that the pupils can actually work on their machine. And those files are linked to the tasks which are in the booklet. If you click on the Progress Complete bar, we can see which tasks pupils have done, and again, if they haven't done them, they can watch the video, and that should help them complete the task. Finally, from a pupil's perspective, some of the exercises require online testing. And so if we go into cybersecurity, for example, we can see here there's a click for test option. If we click on the test, there's now a test on Internet Basics. So what is the World Wide Web? Quite a few people think that that's a search engine, for example, so they might click on there. And then they make their selections, say the US Department of Defense, and so forth. And then they can submit their answers at the bottom, and it will show them which ones they've got right and mark in pink the ones that they've gone wrong. They can do this until they get them all right, at which point they can return to the unit and find that a tick has appeared next to whichever test they've taken. Finally, pupils can upload coursework. These are coursework links, not the actual files, and these are the way in which the pupils are assessed for the certificate. To learn about the site from the teacher's perspective, we can now go to Teacher Home. We can see here that we get a class progress view. So it's very useful when you arrive to see your classes. You can drop down some classes here and see their progress. For this, you probably need to watch the next video. So in summary, thanks for visiting learninformatics.co.uk. Have a read of some of our modules, and if you need to get in touch with us, email info@learninformatics.co.uk.